Question 6a. By first expanding cosine x minus 60 degrees, show that the expression 2 times cosine x minus 60 degrees plus cosine x can be written in the form r cosine x minus alpha, where r is positive and alpha is between 0 and 90 degrees. Give the exact value of r and the value of alpha correct to 2 decimal places. We can expand the cosine x minus 60 into cosine x cosine 60 plus sine x sine 60. And 2 times of this plus cosine x is cosine 60, this is half. Sine 60, that's root 3 over 2. Therefore, it's equal to 2 times cosine x plus root 3 sine x. So r is the root of 2 squared plus root 3 squared, or 3, that's root 7. And alpha is inverse tan of root 3 over 2, which is 40.89 degrees. Remember to write this as 2 cosine x plus root 3 sine x, because it requires, in the question it says it can be written into cosine x minus alpha. Cosine a minus b is cosine a cosine b plus sine a sine b. If you reverse this and write it as root 3 sine x plus 2 cosine x, then it's not going to be the same as in here. If sine x is before cosine x, then we know it should be written into r sine x plus alpha, because sine x, sine a plus b is sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. So it's important that you write cosine in front of sine x in here, so that it can be combined or written in the form of r cosine x minus alpha. This is important. B. Hence, find the value of x in the interval x between 0 and 360 degrees, for which 2 times cosine x minus 60 degrees plus x take its least possible value. So we know that this can be written into r cosine x minus alpha, or root 7 cosine x minus 40.89 degrees. This takes its least value when cosine is minus 1. When this entire thing, cosine x minus 40.89 degrees, is minus 1. So x minus 40.89 degrees is between minus 40.89 and 319.11. Within this range, only one value can make cosine minus 1. This is 180 degrees. Therefore, x minus 40.89 is 180. So x is 220.9.